I'm delighted to be able to bring to you the newest car seat system from BeSafe, the Beyond. The Beyond is a modular system that comprises an ISOfix base, an infant carrier called the Go Beyond, and next stage seat called the Beyond. The Beyond comes in two forms: a rear-facing Swedish Plus tested seat, or a 360-degree rotating seat called the Beyond 360. The Beyond and the Beyond 360 will both rotate from the position that it's going to be used to travel in, round to the side to help your child get in and out of the car more easily, and will accommodate a child up to 125 centimetres or 22 kilograms. The Beyond ISOfix base is manufactured from a combination of aluminium and EPP, which in layman's terms is a kind of denser, more durable form of polystyrene. The base takes the infant car seat, the Go Beyond, and also the option of the next stage seat, which is the Beyond or Beyond 360. And purchases of these components can be made in any combination, and there's no set bundles. The Beyond base has also incorporated on this rebound bar the ability to manoeuvre between three different positions. So we've got the most extended here, an intermediary position, and all the way back for the shortest legroom. As with every other ISOfix product, the ISOfix here is universal and will attach into the car like so, and we're going to just slide it in, mostly, but not all the way, because we've got this universal leveling technology at this end of the base, and what that's going to do is it's going to allow you to adjust the leg and increase the leg in this case up so that the bubble is in the middle of the spirit level. And what that's done now is it's positioned the base in the optimal position to accommodate the infant car seat and the next stage seat, the Beyond. Now we've got that in place, I'm just going to slide the base back towards the back of the car. Couple of clicks and that will make it nice and rigid. We've got the bubble in the centre. The base is floating above this seat. This is a particularly flat seat that we're using here as a demo rig, but that's okay, that's how it's tested and that's how it's meant to be. And as I said, it's now put the base into the absolutely perfect position for this seat that's going to go onto it, and it makes the type of car and the pitch and the angle of the seats that are in your car irrelevant, because it will float above. And as I've mentioned a couple of times, it will sit at the absolute optimum tested angle. So this is the Go Beyond, which is the infant carrier. It attaches onto the base. You can use the car's seatbelt, but to utilise the features mostly on this seat, you ideally are going to have it on the base. It's got a rotation on it, so you can put your child in facing the door. Makes it a little bit easier in some cases. And then it's got this lay flat technology in it here, so if you're not using that, the seat's going to sit at a pitch of 45 degrees. But if we pull this out, it's going to change the angle to a near lie flat position for travelling in. And you can drive with your baby in the car seat, travelling at this position. And in the unfortunate incidents where you may have an accident, this will manoeuvre itself back on impact to the 45-degree angle, which has been determined by BeSafe to be the safest position for the child in a crash. Like all the BeSafe seats, it does have magnets that hold the shoulder pads up, which is a really nice feature. The seat will accommodate a child up to 87 centimetres or 13 kilograms, whichever they hit first. It's got this hood, BeSafe have branded it Peekaboo hood because it's a very deep hood, but you can also angle it if required. If somebody's sitting at the side, it's a bit easier to see into that. With the receiving points on the underside that will accommodate universal car seat adapters, so you're going to be able to get onto pretty much most prams on the market. And a little push here on this button and downwards to move the handle out of the way. To remove the Beyond Go from the ISOfix base, there's a trigger at the top of the ISOfix leg which we pull in an upward direction and take the seat away. And that allows me to introduce the Beyond. As I mentioned earlier, we've got a choice between two versions of the Beyond. The rear-facing only version, which is Swedish Plus tested and suitable up to 125 centimetres or 22 kilograms, and also the Beyond 360, which will have the exact same features, but also have the ability to forward face. In order to rotate the seat to the side, there's a trigger here. This trigger also will allow you to adjust the recline. by just manoeuvring the seat in a forward and backward motion, and the same trigger pushes it in and rotate around to the side of the car. The Beyond seat is suitable from 61 centimeters, and as your child grows, we're going to manoeuvre this headrest up. At around about 105 centimeters, we're going to take this cushion out from underneath the little one, and then continue to manoeuvre the headrest up, and you'll be able to use this up to 125 centimeters. The Beyond has got the side impact block, like many other seats, and you're going to add that to the side nearest to the side of the car. Like most BeSafe seats have got, we've also got these magnets just to help manoeuvre the harness out of the way to make fitting your little one into the seat just that bit easier. And then the last thing I just want to highlight again is the construction of this seat is made quite predominantly out of EPP, which is this enhanced polystyrene style substance. So not only does that make the seat extremely light and the base extremely light, but the lifespan is enhanced, and BeSafe are giving this a lifespan of 15 years, which is way beyond anything else that's on the market right now, which is made from plastic. And there we have it, the BeSafe Beyond system. It's available at Little Peas, and just what a really great addition to the BeSafe family.